Sorry, I lied. One final thing. Let's look at the music that we started with at the beginning. Here is the Cinderella Waltz, E flat, C sharp, G, G. This is an Italian sixth. This is the very first and only Italian sixth I have ever seen in 40 years of arranging. Not that common. I'm not making you do any of this, but this C sharp with the E flat comes down to the D. The C sharp, we expect to go up to a D, but it does not. It comes down chromatically to the C that we expect in the key signature to give us our dominant seventh. So just as when we were discussing secondary dominance, we expect that raised tone to go up to the root of the following chord, but if it's followed by a seventh chord, it's going to fudge a little bit and it's going to come down to the seventh, and that's precisely what happens here. The C sharp, rather than going up to the D, comes down to the C, giving us our dominant seventh, which leads us back to, bring us back to Do. Okay? Here is, sorry for getting car sick here. Here is the Handel example from Messiah. Here is that F resolving downward to an E. Here's that D sharp resolving upward to an E. We're in the key of A minor. We have an A right there. If we follow the rhythm on the downbeat, we still have an A. So this, until beat 4, is an Italian sixth, 2 A's. But the tenor moves upward to the B that is in the key signature. This is, something else, so don't worry about it. So then we have, our augmented sixth that we expect in the key of A minor. We have our Do, A, and then B would be Re. So this gives us the French sixth. Okay. And here, this example is not entirely so clear. Once more, we have the A flat resolving downward to the G, but this F sharp doesn't quite go horizontally where we would expect it. So, we do have a G in the soprano and an F natural. So we're actually doing both. At least from an aural standpoint, F sharp is resolving upward to the root like we expect, and it's doing that other thing. It's resolving downward to the tone that we expect in the key signature, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, to become the seventh. Okay, this whole D minor 7, that's because it's a suspension. Way too complicated, more than we need to know. Okay, but that gives us this augmented sixth chord as well. All right. So hopefully I will see your homework soon. Bye-bye.